Hi, my name is Allie. I'm one of the co-founders of Nudeskin, and I'm so excited to tell you all about Nudeskin by Nudeskin. Nudeskin is simple, multitasking, vegan-powered skincare for confident nude-faced beauty. It is 4 steps, so first we're gonna cleanse, then exfoliate, then tone, and moisturize. So I have oily skin, I have acne-prone skin, I have eczema. I also have a lot of skin allergies, including chemical sunscreens, so it's really difficult for me to find a skincare regimen that works, which is why I'm so excited about Nudeskin, because I can use it and I love it. As you can see, I'm wearing a face of Nudeskin makeup right now, so we're gonna wash it all off. I'm gonna be doing our first step, which is cleansing, and I'm gonna be using our Citrus Clean Balm and Makeup Melt. First, you're gonna start by applying a pea-sized amount onto your hand, then you're going to rub it into your skin and rub away all the makeup and wash it with warm water. That's how I like to use it. You can also use a damp cloth, or if you do not have a damp cloth or water with you, you can also use a tissue to wipe it off. So now I'm gonna be moving on to step 2, which is exfoliate, and I'm gonna be using our Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. This product is a 3-in-1. It's a deep pore cleanser, cell renewal exfoliant, and skin brightening glow. So this amount is good for your entire face. Now I'm gonna spread it over the face on dry skin. And I like to just spread it out all over my face first and kind of let it soak in before I start massaging it. Now as I'm massaging it into my skin, you're gonna see the vegan cellulose peel, as well as all the dirt, debris, excess makeup, or anything else that is on my skin. So you're gonna wanna massage for a minute or a minute and a half, or until all of the product has peeled off. So now I'm finished using the Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. I love this product so much because I have acne, I have eczema, I have oily skin, and this product is so powerful yet gentle for me. So now we're on to step 3, which is toning, and we're gonna be using our 5% citrus acid fruit and glycolic glow toner. It's going to deep clean your pores, it's going to promote cell renewal through exfoliation, and it is also a skin brightening glow. So now I'm gonna use the toner. I like to use a cotton pad because it's super easy to pump the product onto it, but you can also use your fingers. I'm going to apply the toner all over my face. So as you can see on the cotton pad, the toner has successfully removed any dirt or excess makeup, oil, impurities from my skin, and has left me glowing and feeling super clean. So now I'm on step 4. This is our final step. I'm gonna be using our citrusy mask and daily moisturizer. My 2 favorite ingredients in this moisturizer are yuzu, which is a fruit that is super high in vitamin C. It stimulates collagen, it helps brighten the skin, and it also is a very powerful antioxidant. And then we have turmeric, which helps clear acne and is anti-inflammatory. So now I'm gonna apply the moisturizer. You just need a pea-sized amount for your entire face. So now I'm just gonna apply it to the skin evenly and just moisturize it in. With this moisturizer, you wanna use a light layer in the morning, and at night, you can add a little bit of a thicker layer as a leave-on mask. So now that I've cleansed, I've exfoliated, I've toned, and I've moisturized, my skin is looking amazing and feeling great, so I'm ready to go. I can't wait for you guys all to try it.